Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the new Windows 11 File Explorer. We have a few changes on the Windows 11 File Explorer, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new and how you can use it. You can of course open the File Explorer by clicking the pinned icon here, File Explorer, or you can bring this PC on your desktop by right-clicking on your desktop in an empty space, then go to Personalize, then here scroll down a bit and click on Themes, then scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings, select Computer, click on Apply, and OK. You have this PC here, and this is how you can also open the File Explorer. As you can see in Windows 11, comparing it to Windows 10, we have different icons for our partitions, for our folders, for our quick access folders, and other stuff, network, our drives, OneDrive, and stuff like that. That's only the design part, which is pretty nice in my opinion. If we go into a partition, you can see that we have the new folder icons, a more minimalistic design with more space between the folders, and I think I like it. The section from up here is now changed in Windows 11. If we click on a file, we can see all the buttons that are available here. We have new, which when you click on it, it will open up this menu where you can create a new folder or you can create a new item, which is either a folder, a shortcut, a bitmap image, basically the same options from Windows 10. We have the cut option, we have the copy option. These are some shortcuts that can be useful, I think. We also have the paste option here. We have the rename option, which we can use to rename a file very quickly. We have the share button where we can email a contact and we can share with an app. Basically, it shows up our email clients here in the share with an app section. We have the recycle button, of course, which will move this item to the recycle bin. It will not permanently delete it, which is pretty good in my opinion. We have here sort and group options. We can sort our files by name, date modified, type. We have more here, size created, authors, categories, tags, title, and here we have ascending and descending, and we can group them by the same categories. Here we have layout and view options. We can change the layout of our app, so we can do extra large icons and we will see our icons like this. And we also have a compact view, which will turn our Windows 11 File Explorer to the old Windows 10 File Explorer, which had these smaller spaces between the files and the quick access icons, which in my opinion is not that nice compared to Windows 11. And we also have here show, which opens up this section where we can show and hide some panes. We have details pane, preview pane. We have item checkboxes, which is basically these checkboxes that we had in Windows 11. And it's pretty interesting if we activate the details pane and also the preview pane. We have files that we can preview. Of course, this preview thing is only going to work for pictures and stuff like that. The details pane will show you a lot of details. This is really cool, I think, because it shows us details without us having to right click and then click on properties. That's a lot longer. We can only see the important details about a file by clicking on it. If we click on a RAR file or a zip file, we have the option extract all. And also we have this three dots, which can allow us to compress the zip file, copy the path of the file. That is very, very useful. Select all, select none, invert selection, undo the delete of the file that we deleted before. We have properties and options, which will open up the old menu from Windows 10. I'm a big fan of this new layout, these new categorized options from Windows 11. I think they will help increase the productivity of a user that uses Windows 11, of course. And of course, design-wise, it's pretty nice. If we right-click on a file, we have the same options up here. We have cut, we have copy, we have rename, and we have delete. We have open in a new window, pin to quick access, pin to start, compress to zip file, copy as path, properties, open in Windows Terminal, which will open up Windows PowerShell in the current location. We had this in Windows 11 as well. And of course, we have show more options, which will open up the old menu, the old contextual menu from Windows 10. Basically, which is pretty good in my opinion. So this is how you can use the new Windows 11 File Explorer. I'm hoping that I went through all the important settings. If I missed something, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. And of course, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to hearing your opinion on this new File Explorer from Windows 11. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. That was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.